Legends of Learning presents the Robo Factory game. This is a math game that makes learning about terms and rules in numerical patterns fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, you will build robots using patterns, rules, and graphs. Use the mouse to click on the different numbers and math operations to complete the number patterns to complete each robot's puzzle. You must drag and drop the correct numbered parts and math operations to complete the number patterns to solve the math problems. Progress higher and solve more complex number patterns to create all of the different robots. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.